Welcome back to Inshallah. Worried about your English exams? Don't worry. Here are the best tips to score 95% and above. Now, the most important thing is attempt the paper in the right sequence because the students get confuses and make mistakes. So, start with section A. It takes time, so finish it first. Many students make mistake and they start from their literature section, which consumes their time and they fail to attempt their section A properly. Then attempt section B, writing section. It needs creativity and proper structure. And finally, do section C. You are most familiar with this and making it easier at the end. Now, reading section tips. Tip number 1, read the questions before reading the passage. It saves time. And second, solve at least 3 reading comprehension daily before the exam. Now, for writing section tips, revise all formats at least 3 times before the exam. Memorize strong beginnings and endings for analytical paragraph and your letters. Always follow the word limit. Now, in the literature section, read all chapters at least once. Don't skip anything. Attempt long answers first while your mind is fresh. Now, time management tips. 50 minutes per section. Keep 50 minutes for revision. Check for mistakes. Now, presentation matters. Write the section and question number in the box. Like if you are attempting question 1, make a box, proper box. Then maintain proper spacing for clarity and underline key points to make answers stand out. Because there are chances that the examiner missed out your important words. Now, exam day tip. Start the day with a good breakfast and light exercise. Carry your admit card, pens, and stationery. Reach the exam center early to avoid stress. Now, during the exam, read instructions carefully, manage time wisely, and stay calm and confident. Follow these tips, and success is guaranteed. All the best for your exams. Thank you.